Yo, look at this. Hundreds, if not thousands of birds. Let's see what it looks like on the fish finder. This could be squid. So this is our bait, fresh squid. So with the sliding snell, very simple, you slide the snell up, put it through the top of the squid, that first hook. Second hook, I'm gonna put it actually through its head. And there we go. Let's go, y'all, let's do this. All right, perfect, we're trolling at 1.6. That looks good. Make sure my drag is not too loose, not too tight. We'll drop this thing down to the bottom. That guy's on bottom, I'll just leave that there. I'm gonna get the other rig set up here. This is the one I just tied with that Palomar knot. So this rig does not have the sliding snell. Totally fine. Rig it the same way. And also another thing, I got the 8-ounce weight on the other rod, 12-ounce weight on this one, so they're not trolling and dragging right next to each other, less likely to get snagged. This one's gonna be a lot closer to the boat. Oh my gosh. Just drifting. Oh, snagged. I'm gonna get some fresh squid. This is what a squid rig looks like. A lot of little hooks, sharp needles, but no barbs. All right, it looks like there's squid right below me at 25 feet. Let's see if it's true. Oh my God, we're loaded up. We're loaded up. This is gonna be a mess, but it's okay. There's two on the same one. Oh yeah, there they are. They're on it again. Oh my gosh. Oh yes, there's some more. Let's try to load up. Oh yeah, here we go. Woo. How many we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that, doubles on doubles. All right, this one we're gonna chop him on his head. And you could tell that this one's not fresh, you know? Like, look at the two compared to each other. This one does look way better. Chop this guy down. There's a nice live one. And we'll drift this too. Just like that. Oh, this one's heavy, y'all. This one's heavy. Oh, it's a nice one, y'all. It's a very nice one. This one's really nice. Look at that right there, treble hook. Oh, it's fat too. See how long he is. Oh, he's 33 inch halibut, baby. Ah, yes, that feels so good. 16-ounce weight gets it to the bottom. Very, very important to get that bait on the bottom. If you're 10 feet up, you're not gonna be catching fish. The halibut are on the bottom. Oh, it's heavy, y'all, it's heavy. Definitely smaller though. What do you think? Keep it or let it go? That's too small. That is too small. Pretty nice fish, but I know I can get a bigger one. That's like 25, 24 or so. I see the weight. Okay, that's a nice fish. Let's get his belly over here. Yep, we're keeping that one. That's for sure. That's a very nice halibut, baby. Where's his belly side? Right there. That's another nice one. Halibut number 2. Even bigger than the last. Woo-hoo. Look how sharp their teeth are too. These will bite you. And I'm pretty confident that they can almost, if not certainly, bite through your finger. Look at that. He's pretty much, and he's still trying to chomp. Both sides have a really big fillet. So one of these fish is equivalent to 2 lings. So I'm coming home with meat today, baby. I did also get 2 rockfish as I was trolling around. It's a really nice brown. We got a lot of squid. I'm gonna put them on ice. We got a ton of squid actually. Gosh, I got at least probably 100. Pretty cool. All right, see you guys on the next one.